Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mizzy and I post videos on plants and sustainable living. So in today's video, I will talk about Peperomia care and propagation. I have picked few of the Peperomias from my collection for today's video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more such contents. This is Peperomia carperata. It has heart-shaped ruffled green leaves. This plant gives seasonal flowers but is known more so for their attractive leaves. This is a low-maintenance plant and remains compact. It requires indirect bright light and moderate watering. This is the other type of Peperomia, which has a red undertone to it. This is Peperomia obtusifolia marble. It is a low maintenance plant and it is a must have for every plant collector and more so for the new plant collector. This is obtusifolia variegata and it is similar to the previous one. It requires indirect bright light and watering should be done infrequently only when the topsoil is dry. This is Peperomia graveolens or ruby glow. This can be easily propagated by cuttings. Let me show you how to take a leaf cutting. Take a scissor or a knife and take one healthy leaf, and you can do the propagation either in water, but I've chosen moist soil for the propagation as it's more convenient. Taking the leaf cutting of this carperata, so following the same method of taking the healthy leaf and then inserting it in the moist soil. Leave it there for about 2 weeks or so and you'll see lots of new growth there. The same with Opticifolia leaf. You just have to pop it in the soil. These are a few of the leaf propagation that I had done about 2 or 3 months ago, and you can already see so many leaves on this. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here.